Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here to show you how to change your download location for Google Chrome. So go ahead and get your browser started up. In the upper right hand corner, go ahead and click on these three dots, which you should see. Go down to settings. Once you get to settings, you should see advanced on the left hand side. Go ahead and click on that. You should see the downloads location. Click on that. And once you open that up, you should see the locations tab where it has a change clickable link next to it. Simply click on that and you can find the new location where you want your downloads when you're on Google Chrome to be. I like to keep mine on the desktop. They're just convenient for me there because I just simply label a folder, but wherever is convenient for you, you just change it there. Just make sure you have a folder there. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.